chasing dopamine, dopamine.
Good morning. Good morning. What's up, guys? Bwoy Psynos coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Today's Sunday. A beautiful day. Yeah, today is Sunday. We are gonna head out on the road today, guys. We're going to the other house. And we're going to sort out Sheri Psynos. Today is Sheri Psynos' birthday. And we're going to have a birthday pool flex by the house. Yeah. Beer things. We're going to set up the sound. Beer things. Music. Balloon in a pool. Floater. And the people them come over and start eat some food. And yeah, crazy fun and things. So I go join some clothes you know. And I go roll out. And I go journey with your boy. Oh, also we're going to go live. Yeah. Make y'all people journey with your boy. We're going to go live too. So all of the people them, if you just see this, you can go watch the live. You know what I mean? So it's going to be a lit Saturday. I mean Sunday, my fool. So happy birthday to you, Sheri Psynos. It's going to be epic journey with your boy. Ah, shoo! Vlog world, we're there right now. On the ends. And y'all on the scene, not behind the scene, of Sheri Psynos' amazing birthday celebration. We got Lisa Psynos up in the building. We got Mackie. Them a blow. They float at them and we have thing them out there so. Everybody just there prepare me there. I consume some food before we start do a bag of things. So yeah, Sheri Psynos round the side, she know on the panel camera. But you know she'll come out later, right? Yeah. So as I told you yesterday, spend the whole day I clean up and let's make sure this is just a nice event. A small thing and not a big thing. But we want to just enjoy the day. I just want she knows I love her and appreciate her. And we don't want she do no work. We just want she just have fun. And enjoy herself. Enjoy the day because 30 is a big deal. You know what I mean? Yeah, how much people live to see that? Not enough people, but she did. So God is good, you know what I mean? But anyway, peeps. I'm going to go on journey there, boy. Where they are this summer. Because you're me and Mackie. Oh, you're going on, man. Where you do? Oh, them are going, man. Them are going. No. You can't manage that right now. Yeah. We have balloon. For blow too?
We start now? See them under there, so start blow some money.
Yeah, she tell bad man for the blow balloon. You know what I mean? It's not on you. She complain in her background selfie mode. Turn on the camera, Joe. She hide. Yeah, she know on the camera. Psych! But anyway, peeps, go on journey, boy. We're going to go inflate some balloon. Right, vlog world, see it, you know? We blow up the thing. A beer things are going. Yeah. So there. Ready, you know, a whole heap of blowing it go on. No, boy, Mackie Psynos, but a pram go and put me here. No. See ya? And somebody I see them too, them no one see. You see them? It's alright.
That's why you wear socks getting.
Oh! Well, girl, what's your brother? The party never start yet. But him watch him. What you say? I take your share first before the crowd come, because it go done. True, man. You have to test it, for real. A good youth. And it's affordable too, you know. They would not believe how much for 3 gallon. A 3 gallon, eh? Yeah, cheap. Vlogger, so we're there up on the road, you know. I'll get some jerk pork and some one bag of things for the event and everything there, you know. So we're there Pick up yourself, next Sunday. Give thanks. Respect, yeah? Yeah, man, so they have a spray, I just spray me and they get some, okay, then I get some jerk pork and so. And them things they eat. Now they are mask up and the whole of we look like scaptions.
Test your might.
Yeah, man, we do all of this for you, man. Sheri Psynos. Pick up yourself. Today is gonna be epic. Yeah. So, as we're just there. We're there. How are they again, okay?
Pepperwood.
What?
Pepperwood.
One Pepperwood place name. Why if the name there, but yeah. We're there up on a Sunday and thing, but go and join the boy Whitney Houston are playing at the background and she now get my money, yeah?
Inside. Where you are though?
Alright, sweet. So we're there. Yeah. We pretty much cleaned up the pool and put in some floater. We didn't need more balloons and thing, but we never have enough time for blow up no more balloon. I'm not even sure if them did have enough balloon. But yeah, everybody is inside a fix up out there, wait for the people and set out the chair them and all them things there. Yeah, so there. Now that's the behind the scenes, man. Just make sure so the day run good. As me say. That's there. Soon going at the pool. Get the thing kick off good, so yeah. Until the live rock. But there, sun hot. Yeah, so no go and join with your boy.
Inside. Where you are though?
I like big boys, itty bitty boys.
Oh my God! Wow! So, let me tell you, I love the girls them now. Me love slim girl, me love fat girl, me love blue, green, eye girl, me love black eye girls with the thick lips.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Hooray!
Let's
go, cause he's a very good fellow. For he's a very good fellow.
And so say all of us.
She's a very good fellow.
And so say all of us. Alright, so after 3. Wait, I have to think about my wish.
Ready?
Alright, flag girls, so pretty much just reach home. Back to the house, yeah. At the slab, as you clearly can see. Yeah, man, they pack out some things and might go. Let's go and chill and thing. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Short little vlog and thing, and I hope you guys get to watch the live too and see the whole of it there by the pool and have fun. If you don't watch it, you drop the link down below, tweet and see the live when all the way in the pool. I have fun and thing and give us no trouble. Yeah, so kind of frosty now and the place hot like fire. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Sheri Psynos say big up to everybody who give her pretty much like a birthday wish and so big ups, you know, birthday girl and thing. Yeah, that's about it really. Long time I don't really do a live vlog and thing, you know. But separate apart from that, peeps, new things are come up, my vibes are build me, I get back my energy back, I don't feel so burnt out and thing. Also I go make you see a clip of an interview I did on Nationwide. Yeah, I'm gonna put that also in another video. Yeah, me do an interview on Nationwide about YouTube and what I do and the business side of it. A little thing, you know. Big up to esports for that, my sponsor. Big up yourself, Dexter. Yeah, so I'm gonna make you see it right now. But thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself. Stay blessed. If the vlog is not too short, I'll roll it over in the next day. If it's not too short, you don't know, say I saw it end. Alright, so respect. Until next time again, more content that will come. He has the strength come up and thing. So you just go on journey there, boy. Shoo!
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you are stuffed chicken, you have to mad.